Hey, what's up with the YouTube world? This is Buddha with your cup of noodles. Uh, Today I got I noticed I read my comments on my last video that somebody wanted me to do a reaction video about Rock the Boat XG. Now I never heard of this song before. This must be off the new album, but I'm anxious and I'm ready to hear it. See, I've been an alpha even before XG. I was an alpha male. Then they came around. My wife watched them since they made the group. So she's a die-hard alpha. And I know there's thousands and thousands of alphas around this earth in different countries, Japan, Korea, everywhere else. But today, we're going to react on this particular video. Well, it's not a video, it's a live performance because I couldn't find a video. But to the respect of the guy, the person who left a comment down in my comment section that he wanted me or she wanted me to do a reaction to Rock the Boat, here it is. Like, comment, and subscribe. Comment right down there, just right there. Let me know what country you're in, how long you've been a alpha, how many of your friends are alphas, what song you want me to comment on next, do a reaction video on, what video. It don't even have to be XG. It can be Blackpink, Jenny, Lisa, Vicha, whoever. Just let me know and I'll do it. Whatever you ask me to do, I'll do it. Because that's what I'm here for. So, with no further ado, introducing XG and Rock the Boat.
Hey boy, I like the way you talk, I like the way you speak, tell me on that phone. I like that XG when I hear that ringtone. I'm liking everything, but it's not enough.
What?
Say boy, what if I wanna ride?
Are you talking to me? Oh, right now? What? Why are you getting that crazy, Kokona? Would you, huh? Yeah, I did. Rocked it. I knocked you off that. Off that what? What you got to say, Harvey? What? For real? Huh? What? Huh? Oh, Coca-Cola, what? Duran, what you talking about? What you say? Another? That's what I did. Yeah. Maya, what you say? I know that. I rocked the boat. I know that. Why y'all jumping like that? Cause I knocked you off the way. She said, that's my girl right there. What Maya say? I know. Ain't that what you wanted me to do? Yeah, that's what I did. I rocked it. I rocked it. Like y'all rocking it right now. Huh. Now, how'd you like that? That song was smacking. They up there, up there, uh, with Aaliyah and them. With Aaliyah, Rock the Boat. Because there's only one other Rock the Boat. That's with Aaliyah. And you know, when she was doing that stomach dance, with the way she was singing, that shit was smacking, right? They next door neighbors now. XG and Aaliyah. R.I.P. Aaliyah. If you're a Aaliyah fan, give it up. But if you are Alpha, give it up. Woo, woo, woo. You know what I'm saying? So, if you liked what I just did, and I'm sorry that I didn't remember the person who commented and wanted me to do this particular reaction, but you are recognized, and I appreciate you leaving a comment. If you leave some more comments and refer a friend, if you will, so I can grow, please do. It'll be appreciated. But to all the alphas and the non-alphas and the alphas to be, thanks for watching. Life is chess, not checkers. I'll be here tomorrow, same place, same time. Peace and blessings. I'm out of here. Buenos dias.